Good evening, one and all. This is K. Raghavendra, TGT in Social Studies at TTWRS Boys Kanpur. In the last video, we have discussed about the groundwater and its definition and groundwater table. Okay, today we are going to discuss about the groundwater in Telangana. Before that, we have to learn the meaning of the aquifer. What is the meaning of the aquifer? Aquifer, the layer of the water which accumulates under the ground among the rocks is called aquifer. Like this. Here, above the water layer, here pervious rocks, and below the water layer, here impervious rocks. Where the water structure is like this is called aquifer. Okay, now we will discuss about groundwater in Telangana. Students, look at here. These are the granite rocks. Most of the Telangana consists of these granite rocks under the soil, which are hard and impervious. The top portion of these granite rocks are broken due to weathering process, and they carry the water. In Telangana region, many of the granite rocks also have deep cracks. These cracks going down to 50 to 100 meters depth, and it contains the water. This is open well. We dig open wells up to weathered rocks with the help of cranes, and we can withdraw the same water, and use them for the various purpose. This is the tube well or bore well. This bore well dig with the help of drill machines and reach into the deep cracks and draw water from the deep cracks. Okay, look at here. This picture is in our textbook page number 29. This picture explains about the structure of rocks and water below the ground level. In this picture, there are the 4 layers of the earth, that is topsoil, weathered rock, hard granite, crack in the rock, and again the hard granite. The topsoil indicates with the A, and weathered rocks layer indicate with the B, hard granite indicate with the C, and cracks in the rock indicates with the D, and hard granite again indicates with E. In this picture, there are 2 types of wells. First one is the open well. This is the tube well. Okay, topsoil. The topsoil, this is the top layer of the earth, which consists of silt, sand, and pebbles. Below that, weathered rock. The water percolates through the topsoil and weathered rock, but does not accumulate in the hard rock. The water accumulates in weathered rock. Sometimes, in some places, the hard rock have some deep cracks. Then the water carry through these deep cracks and store above the hard granite. Weathered rock is nothing but broken granite rock or pervious rocks. In some places, the people dig up to the weathered rock layer, and they get the water and withdraw them into the surface. In some areas, in the weathered rock, the water did not find. Then, with the help of the borewell, with the help of the drilling machines, the people dig the tube wells up to the crack in the granite rocks, and they find the water layer here and withdraw the water through the tube wells and use for the various purposes.